All right. So I don't really have a topic for today. So we are just going to pick random topics from the dogs. And also, I thought this would be a nice opportunity to actually see what's on the dogs because who has the time, right? But it's very important that you do. So let's wait a few minutes for people to join. I think this is the last time that you will be seeing me on an alone live stream, which is good. Yes, we are full until August 29. So, I mean, I will still be here. It's just that I won't be alone doing these things. There will be other people for basically all August except the 29 and the 31, which is still open. So if you want to do a live stream, hurry up. And I will stir my coffee. So give me a moment. Hello. Hello. Good evening. By the way, I am in love with Indian tea. My friend from Mumbai has been like helping me to try out different teas from Mumbai. And they are just they're nothing like. Yes, today is my first go live too. um yes, in what, 2 hours? Yeah, in 2 hours. Hello. Anyway, the Indian tea is so beautiful. I didn't know that it was milk based. And the tea that I eat here or that I normally know about is based in water. Like you have water and you put tea and that's it. You put like the little bag of tea and that's it. That's how you make tea here. But damn, like the Indian tea is so good. It has so much flavor. I love cardamom tea. Like it's just beautiful. All right. Hello, hello. Hello, try ginger tea. I did. Yeah. I love it. I thought it was gonna be spicy because it's ginger, but it was really not. It just had this beautiful, beautiful, and that's actually what cured me. I don't know if you guys remember that I was sick like for three different times, but all together. And when I started drinking the ginger tea from my friend, it was life changing. Like I just stopped being sick. I was also taking vitamin C, but the ginger tea really, really helped. And I also tried Kada, I believe it's the name, that someone from you here told me to drink that. And that one was also a lifesaver. So thank you all. Indian tea, try it. All right, so let's get this started. I will be here in the corner. So we are. Yes, I love it too, especially during rain. Yes. If you go to docs.mulesoft.com/general, you will get to this screen that I have right here. And I am basically just gonna see what we have right here because I don't think I've ever really paid attention to the docs. I normally just Google something and go straight to the docs, but I don't like take my time to go through everything. So, case in point, I didn't even know this landing page existed. New to MuleSoft, start here. So this is gonna take me to one of the tutorials from here. All right, awesome. And then here we have the latest releases, popular topics. Oh, I didn't know the latest releases were here even. That's cool. So all July we had RPA, Oracle, Connector, Anypoint Access Management. Really? MuleSoft Composer, Anypoint Flex Gateway. Popular topics, of course, data weave. Data weave filter map, batch processing, data weave references. Yeah, like 4 data weave, connectors, batch. And this is also data weave. Yeah, this is also data weave. 5 data weaves, batch and connectors. Interesting. I don't know if this is like auto-generated or someone has to change it, but of course it's data weave. Hello, Sai. Thank you for joining. All right, then we have the tutorial to get started, which is this one, I believe. Discover reusable assets, design, create reusable API specification. This is, I think, a tutorial as well, or maybe just the docs. Access management and security, developer and tests. So there are like random links that they decided to put here, or well, not random, but hey, Shyam, how are you? Thank you for joining. Deploy, monitor, more resources. Okay. And then that's it. Where does this go? Oh, okay. All right, so that's the landing page. Then we have the release notes. I didn't know about this by product or by month. So here is by product. You can just search for whichever you need, and then by month. And you can see it like this. Yeah, I didn't know about this one. Archive documentation. Oh, interesting. Good to know. And then we go to the getting started. So build an API from start to finish, usage reports. Hello, Vishal. Thank you for joining. Browser support, glossary, contribute to MuleSoft documentation. Okay. And then we have this tutorial. So prerequisites, create a trial organization, download, install. Oh yeah, because we don't want people to download Postman, right? Helpful hints, design an API specification, segment to exchange to Anypoint platform, your API specification, and then there's an example. Then you can test it with the mocking service. Yeah. You test it. Try it. Yeah. Then publish your API specification to Exchange. Okay. Then develop in Anypoint Studio. Oh yeah, authentication, yes, for your Anypoint platform account. Hello, Sandeep, how are you? And then here you can scaffold the stuff with API key router, configure the API, test the API, create a business group, publish the API to Exchange. What? From here? Really? So from Studio, Anypoint platform published to Exchange. Okay. Huh. I think I've never done that. I always do it from Anypoint platform. So I guess if you have changes from Studio, you can just put them in Exchange automatically. Cool. All right. Add validation and error handling. Oh. Well, it's nice that this is part of the like getting started tutorial, because I don't think a lot of people know about validation. And then how to debug, adding the error handling, and then how to debug that, publish to Exchange, the new one. Huh. I don't normally publish to Exchange. I normally just deploy to Cloud Hub. Oh, and then deploy to Cloud Hub. Okay. So we are making changes and deploying to Exchange. And after deploying to Exchange, we are now deploying to Cloud Hub. Okay. Yeah. This is Cloud Hub 1 also, right? Yeah. Create an API. How to create an API proxy application. Configure the API proxy. Add a rate limit policy. That's it. So this is using API auto discovery. No. I think it's not using API auto discovery. Nope. Huh. Interesting. Then operate the API. And that's it. Okay. Well, that's cool. It's actually a whole thing, like how to do everything from scratch. Didn't even know that was there. So that's cool. Then what is usage reports? Oh, how to use the stuff. Browser support, just so you know what you can open. Oh, there's a glossary. And contribute. If you want to contribute, if there is any mistake in the docs, you can click here on view on GitHub, on Cloud Hub, I was going to say. And you will be able to change the stuff that you need to be changed. Why don't I have my thing? Ah, there. Then there's hosting options, Cloud Hub 2, Cloud Hub 1, Runtime Fabric, Anypoint Platform Private Cloud Edition, Government Cloud, EU Control Plane. Then we have the docs by product, and that I think that's the last one. Yeah. Accelerators, access management, Anypoint CLI, Anypoint Code Builder. I thought, okay. API Community Management, Experience Hub. I haven't tried API Experience Hub. That would be a nice thing to do. Also functional monitoring and API functional monitoring with BAT CLI. Okay, let me just, cause yesterday I was having my live stream and then Felix came along and said, hey, did you know that the BAT CLI or the BAT playground is no longer working? I didn't know. So for any of you that knew BAT playground MuleSoft, this one, the BAT playground, it doesn't work anymore. I didn't know that. I just came to know about it yesterday. The BAT CLI still works, of course, but there's not a playground now. So I want to kind of read more about this thing. Because I think now you just have to use monitoring. Behavior-driven development. We have that thing. It is based on data weave and follows the given when then approach to describe behavior in terms of conditions and expected outcomes. Schedules, black box testing, white box testing, runtime monitoring. Okay, there's a getting started. Let's see the release notes quickly. Oh, there's nothing. Okay, getting started. Before you begin to use API functional monitoring, you must have the permissions required for the actions you want to execute. Permissions are set by your organization administrator. Monitor your APIs. To monitor your APIs using bad CLI. Okay. I want to try this out. Okay. I do have something deployed. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm good. All right, so we're here. And then I need to give permissions. So business groups, switch. No, users. Add permissions. Okay. Create application. I think I already have everything though because I am admin. So let's skip that for now. I can come back if I need it. Okay, create monitors. Let's see what it says. Ah, he wants to sneeze again. I'm good. Maybe I'm getting sick because I was just telling that I'm not sick anymore. Sure that you have, yeah. Click create monitor in the functional monitoring section of endpoint monitoring. I'm also not sure if I have this because I am using a free trial account, but we'll see. So monitoring, other setting. They may not have this. Sandbox. Okay, I will try to see the permissions. Fine. Let's go to access management. Me, add permissions. Create applications, delete applications, runtime manager. Can I just give myself everything? Because I don't want to go one by one. Yeah, let's do that. What can go wrong? I'm the admin anyway. Okay. There's everything. Switch. Some, well, both. Add permissions. Okay. I am super admin. Now, let's see if something changed. Nope. Sandbox. This is the running one. Yeah, no, I think I can't. All right, let me try my enterprise one to see if there's a difference. Hold on. Show me the thing. Thank you. What? Monitoring. Okay, yeah. You have to have an enterprise account. So here I have functional monitoring. Okay, let's create a monitor. Test. US1. Monitor every 15 minutes. Sure. Next. Endpoint URL. Well, I had nothing here. Let's try JSON placeholder. Yeah, why not? Oh, it's to test it. Oh, it's to actually test it. Okay, interesting. All right, then let me get my actual. I don't have Postman. Damn it. Hold on. Because I was just creating this API yesterday, so I remember everything about this API. So let's do that. Environment, dev. Here's my thing. Okay. So that. Let's try just the get articles. Hello, Herman. Thank you for joining. So right now, I have nothing. Okay. Slash articles. Or let's create an article. Sure. Okay, we have one article. Header's optional. Status code must equal 200. Yes. Response body. Huh. Let's say, so can I use data whip here? Or how does this work? Now let's try it like that. For now. Next. Oh, and I can send notifications. Slack, PagerDuty, New Relic, Sumo Logic, or email. Let's try email. Alexandra.martinez@salesforce.com. Okay. What if I select Slack? Oh, I have to put a webhook. Okay, that's cool. All right, create monitor. That's nice. Okay, it's running. Passed. Ooh, that's so cool. Okay, let's add more. Edit monitor. Let's say this thing. Oh, what was my ID one? Okay. So this, and it should be 200. Okay. So there was a way to get the whole URL, wasn't there? I don't remember how. All right, let's just copy and paste this. And 1, and this was 200. Yeah. Okay, endpoint 3. Now let's do the categories in 200. Okay, 200. Let's see how it looks like. This is nice. I like this. It's a nice product. And you can also put it, as I was reading, in your own CI/CD pipelines, because this is a CLI. So you can also do that. Are you running? Pending. Run. Noise. And here you can see the assertions, show all. Oh, this is so exciting. All right, let's try to make it fail. Let's change this to 500. So this will fail. And let's see if it sends an email to myself. All right, run. Failed. And oh, I did get the email. Oh, that's awesome. Can I show it to you? Can I? Oh yeah, I can. Ah, where is it? Here. Any point platform alert notification functional monitor test has failed. And then here's the list of what failed. That's so cool. It was so easy. Wow, I love this. Download monitor. Where are you gonna download? What's this? A zip? Let's see. Oh, the bad.yaml, exchange.json, and main.dwl. Open with text edit. Oh, so it's all the code. Oh, that's amazing. Text edit. Oh, that's so cool. So you can even just create the tests here, download them, and you already have all the code. That's cool. Okay, let's put it back as 200. I like this. I like this. And then what else can I do? I think that's all, right? Pending execution. Can I run it again? And that's what happens when you read the docs. All right, passed. So we have all the failed, passed, and pending execution. That is so cool. So this would be named. Oh, I cannot change the name now. Oh, well, that sucks. I can even upload a folder, which is what I just downloaded. That's so cool. I love this. I love this. Too bad that it's only available for enterprise. But yeah. And now how can I delete it? Delete. That is so cool. I approve. Private locations, schedules, test history. Yeah. And then we have the bad CLI. How to install it. Oh, there's an example of a test suite. So we have the bad.yaml that we saw, and then there are different DW files that we also downloaded, or no, we downloaded the tests. Anyway, you can create it on the endpoint monitoring and then download it, and you will have it there. You can now use this. Is there like, how can we run this? Run. No, I think it's not really telling you how to run it from CI/CD, but it is possible, I would think. I haven't tried it, but yeah, that's cool. Syntax reference. So what you can do here with the scripts, that is cool. I love this. API governance. Yeah, so that's basically it for functional monitoring. That was cool. And then for... Oh, I do need Salesforce to create a portal in API Experience Hub. I didn't know that. Anyway, we also have API governance. We've also tried... Oh, there's also a CLI. Well, there are CLIs for almost everything. That's cool. API manager, API kit. If you all want me to do something specific, please feel free to tell me. There's an API kit for GraphQL? Really? Composer, connector dev kit, connectors, data graph, data weave, design center, exchange, gateway, monitoring, and functional monitoring is not here. MQ, MuleSDK, MUnit. If I click it, oh, it collapses. Okay. Object store, partner manager, RPA, runtime manager, security service mesh, studio visualizer. What's new in studio? By the way, from any point code builder, okay, June. There hasn't been anything new this month. I think next month will be something new. I don't know. Also, I got approved to go to Dreamforce. Yay. So I will see you on September, to whoever is going there. So I am excited to meet you all. Setup. Yeah, this is open beta, we know. Get started. User guide. Use cases. There's a lot of stuff. I don't remember there being that much stuff, so that's nice. What's in the Anypoint CLI? Anypoint platform, API, Cloud Hub, Design Center, Exchange, Hybrid, Local, Runtime Fabric. I don't think I've ever tried any CLI. Or yeah, I think I did for a tutorial. Which one was that? I think it was... What was the name? Wait. Oh, I did try the CLI for BAT. Did I? Looks like I did. And I have workflows. So it is running. Yeah, it is running. Okay. So I do have examples on how to run this from a CI/CD pipeline. I forgot. Let me move myself a little bit there. So we're basically just installing it like this with curl. And then we just test it. That's pretty much it. So let's see. Oh, I don't have any artifacts. Oh, well. Test. Oh, well, I can see here how it's running. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3. 3 tests, and it worked. That's nice. All right, so I did try the CLI then. But this one was the one that I was talking about, the API catalog CLI. So I also have the workflows. And it's installing the CLI with sudo apt get update. I normally say it in Spanish. Then npm install, because we are on a Ubuntu machine, so that's how you install it in Linux. Then we're just setting up the username, password, and org ID, and we are publishing that. API catalog publish asset. That's all. All right. It's actually super easy. Well, that's cool. I just sometimes forget what I have done. Yeah, I have several CI/CD stuff. All right. So I have tried CLI. Oh, here it is, the API catalog. This is the one that I tried, and also the BAT CLI. So interesting. Well, no one is really telling me if you want me to try something specific, so I will just go with my gut. Is there a place to see the differences between Cloud Hub 1 and 2? Okay, Cloud Hub 2 for Cloud Hub 1 users. Also, in 1 hour and a half, yes, I will do my first code live. Yay! So I hope to see you there. I don't think I even know enough about the architecture of Cloud Hub 1 to be able to judge the architecture from Cloud Hub 2. Honestly. But where is... Nope, I don't know enough. But I believe, who was it? There was someone that told me that they could do the differences in architecture. So, really looking forward to that. Yeah, I just don't know enough. And that's all right. By the way, am I running something here? I shouldn't. Oh, my battlesnake. I haven't I haven't changed that thing in so long. And it's still running. It's just failing in life. When was the last time you run? 27, so today. Oh well. I will get back to Battlesnake sometime. Not today. Update available. Yeah, yeah. Do I have something in API Manager? I don't think so. No. Okay. By the way, what's happening with Flex Gateway? There are a lot of stuff now. Hello, Paul Garcia. Thank you for joining. Really appreciate it. First time chat. Yay. Where? Flex Gateway. Oh my. Yeah, there are a lot of stuff now. So Ubuntu Debian, container, Docker Podman. Oh yeah, I remember saying like I didn't know what Podman was, but it looked cool. But it was still based on Docker, so Kubernetes and OpenShift. It's nice that there are so many things now. Interesting. What are you doing today? Nothing. I don't know. I was just checking the docs to see like what's out there that I haven't seen. And I did get to know about this API functional monitoring that I didn't know about. In monitoring, here there is a section for functional monitoring, only for enterprise accounts, not for free accounts. And you can create functional tests, basically, that can run with a schedule. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's using the well, I don't know if it's using the bad CLI, but you can also do it with the bad CLI. So if you go here to my GitHub repo and look for MuleBat example, there you will get to see how to use it in your CI/CD pipelines, which is cool. So yeah, that's basically what I learned today. And I was trying to figure out the differences between Cloud Hub 1 and Cloud Hub 2. Then I'm like, I don't know enough about architecture to know what the difference are. But that's all right. And that's it. I'm just chilling, reading the docs, trying to learn something new. That's me. I also noticed that there's a getting started part here where you can kind of build an API just following these things. So that's cool. And also that there's a landing page that I didn't even see before. New to MuleSoft, start here, and it takes you to the tutorial that I showed you. And there are also the latest releases, popular topics. Popular topics are basically data weave. And then there are some more links here. Also, these images are cool. I like our designers. They design cool stuff. Yeah. So that's what I've been doing today. Oh, there's also a Trailhead link. Let's check that out. Huh. I should do that one. Oh no, I can't log in because I don't know my... All right, I'm gonna save this. so I can do this later, because that sounds like something I can do easily. Great. Yes. And I was basically accepting topics for like today, or not just today, actually, because today is my last solo live stream of the month. And then in August, everything is already scheduled. So a lot of people are going to have live streams on August. I am only missing the 29 and the 31. So I will not be doing this alone. Also, I will go on vacations, but Sabrina and Mariana are going to take care of you all. Sweet. So that's basically it. I am proud to say that I have not read entirely, but I have visited something like most of these talks. Topic, yay! Workaround object store, lack of locking mechanism. Can you tell me more about that? What do you mean by lack of locking mechanism? Just so I understand and we're on the same page. I know about it. I just want you to tell me that you know about it. I'm kidding. No, I don't know about it. I don't know what you mean. Please, please, Herman, tell me more about it. I will be happy to explore it. Just let me know what you mean exactly. Is there something here that I can... Oh, perfect. Oh, well, yes, that's where I was going. What? How did I do that? Object store. Okay. Always breaking stuff in the live streams. Using Object Store v2 with multi-worker Cloud Hub application might result in data discrepancies or key clashes. Oh, I see what you mean. Well, that's a nice topic. Okay. So is there something about that here? I will... Let me take a screenshot of that. Okay. And I will definitely ask the architects and engineers of Object Store, because I am not sure. Let's see if there's something here. I guess you already read the docs and you haven't found anything. So, yeah. That is a great question, Herman. Thank you for bringing it up. Transaction. What is... No, that's not it. Limits. No. Nope. Tutorial, configuring, rate limiting, REST APIs. Yeah. That is a really, really great question. Okay. So yes, I thought Cloud Hub 2 was developed for that, but Cloud Hub 2 also has the same OSV2 implementation as Cloud Hub 1, so the issue continues. That makes sense. Thank you for bringing that up. I will definitely follow up on that. You can Let me find you on LinkedIn. Hold on. Okay. Hi. I just sent you a hi. So whenever I hear back from the engineers, I will make sure to send you a message with whatever they said. Unfortunately, if it doesn't already work, we just have to wait. I'll let you know if it's already on the radar or not, or if they're gonna fix it soon or never. I hope that it's not never. So I will just let you know. I already sent you a message, so I have you on LinkedIn. Perfect. I think that that's basically it. I was just going through the docs, and I went through the docs, and Herman brought these really great points. So I think that's a nice way to finish today's stream. And again, I will be on Code Live in 1 hour. So if you go to the Salesforce Developers YouTube channel, you will find the Code Live stuff. You know what? Let me search for it, because I don't even have it. Hold on. Code Live. Salesforce Developers. There it is. Share, copy. Okay. Oh, well, that's zero useful. Let me put it on LinkedIn. Hold on. Where is the thing? Why am I not seeing the live stream? Where is the live stream? Oh, you have a quick question. Awesome. But hold on. Let me just put this on the chat. Why? Oh, I found it. Post. There. Okay. Perfect. I have a quick question regarding Mule SDK. How to have multiple connections, configuration, each with its own parameters. I have no idea, but let's see. Are you using Java XML? Let's see. There's nothing here. Okay, cool. I have no idea how to answer that. Multiple connections configuration, each with its own parameter. Yeah, I don't know. Because I haven't really tried the SDK, to be honest. But we have had some people trying out the SDK. Shyam is... Oh, Java SDK. Okay. Actually, Shyam was trying the Java SDK. Like, what? 2 streams ago? Maybe you can ask him. I have no idea, to be honest with you. Let me send you. So if you go to LinkedIn and search for Shyam, there's Shyam. I'm not sharing my screen. Sorry. There is Shyam. So search for Shyam. He will be able to help you probably. And there's the link. Shyam Raj Prasad. Like database connector, have MySQL or Microsoft SQL Server or generic. I don't know enough about the SDK to be completely honest with you. I would have to try it out from scratch on my own, but I think it's just easier to ask someone that has already done it before, because while we wait for my learning curve, like it will be too late for you. So yeah, just go ask someone that already knows about it. I'm sorry. You can also, if you are not in the MuleSoft community Slack, you can send me your email. I can add you, and you can ask there for the real experts to to answer your questions. So let me also send you a message. LinkedIn. BASRS. Found you. Okay, we're not connected. I sent you a connection. All right, so please write me on LinkedIn. Send me your email. I will add you to the Slack, and you will be able to ask there. The other thing that you can also do is ask in help.mulesoft.com, which is where we have our help forums, and people from the community are gonna answer you really quickly. So that there's also another thing you can do. If you're not part of the community Slack, you can ask in help.mulesoft.com. It's basically the same thing. The same experts are answering in both places, so you can also ask there. But yeah, that's not something that I can answer. Sorry about that. I am very smart in DataWeave, if that is any help. All right, so that's all for this live stream then. I also wanted to remind you all, because today is 27 and this lasts until 28. So 50% off Tableau and MuleSoft instructor-led classes using the code TAFMule50 until July 28, until tomorrow. So you have until tomorrow. I mean, I was not a lot of help, but yeah. All right, so you have until tomorrow to use this, and then it's gone. So make sure you use it. And then also follow us on twitch.tv/MuleSoft_community so you can keep up with our previous recordings, our future live streams using the schedule tab. And you can receive notifications as soon as we are live. If you put it on your phone, you will receive notifications on your phone. So go ahead and follow us on Twitch as well. All right, that is all for this live stream. I hope it was some help for you. And this is the last time that you will see me solo until August or September. So yes, you will not have to hear my voice that much. All right, I will see you then in an hour in the Code Live. Where did I put that thing? In 1 hour in the Code Live, I will just do basic DataWeave stuff in Visual Studio Code, but it's new for the Salesforce audience, so you can go, you can. I don't know. If you have already done Visual Studio Code with DataWeave, then it's something new to you, but I would appreciate your support, so thank you. And that's it. After the Code Live, I will see you on August 1st. And what are we gonna do on August 1st? We will have Pranav doing, where is it? Oh, still deciding. Okay, I will see you then in an hour or on Tuesday. All right, thank you all for joining. Bye-bye.